In VocabClass, students get their own independent accounts. If your classroom or school is not using single sign-on platforms such as Clever, ClassLink, student accounts need to be created by the teacher. Student accounts can be added and edited by first selecting the Add Edit Students tab in the left margin. On this page, teachers are alerted to how many student accounts they have remaining and how many they've already created. Once a student account is created, the student can visit vocabclass.com, select the Login tab, click Student, and enter their assigned username and password. Teachers can easily edit or delete existing student accounts in VocabClass by selecting the Edit, Delete, Login button. After modifying existing student accounts, make sure to click the blue Update button to save all your changes.